What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to be using 3 chords here. So the first chord is going to be an E. If that's a little hard for you guys can do different variations. Taking off your pinky kind of helps. It's going to sound like that. Taking off your pointer. Yeah, there's other ways to play the E. So we got E, then A, and then D. Okay, so E, A, and D is the chords that we're going to use. Now here's a little example of the strum pattern. So alright, so the strum pattern there, starting at E, it goes down, down, up to A, down, down, up, then D, down, down, up, and then we're gonna go up, down, up. So and that's the strum pattern we're going to use for the entire song. Now with the picking that you hear, so that right there, I have the tabs on the screen, you guys can follow along. So starting on the 4th fret, it goes into the 1st, and then okay, so that's the first 3. So now this part, it goes. Okay, so that right there is 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. And what it is a hammer on. So, and then here is gonna go. So you're going to hand around on this 2 here, and then you can play 2. So, or if you could pull off on there too. So it starts in the top. So you could do that. So you do that, that's the first line. The second line, you're just going to go. And then without the extra stuff there. So. So you guys can practice that, and also you guys can put those 2 together. So do the strumming, down, down, up, down, down, up. Instead of doing the up, down, up, you're gonna do so. Thanks again guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.